Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'm going to show you our Adina 1000 model, handmade in our workshops and sold directly to you and not through a third party. The Adina 1000 is designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence for an exceptional price. This 10-inch deep mattress is a medium feel and is a good all-rounder for comfort. Contoured support is given by 1,000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs. These work independently from one another, allowing a contoured support throughout your body. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic fillings are then used. We place these over the springs to give a flexing medium feel. Fillings are held in place with cotton tufts. The mattress surface is our exclusive soft touch knitted fabric, which is exceptionally good for moisture absorption, maintaining your comfort throughout the night. The border of the mattress has 4 rows of side stitching, creating a firmer edge and maximising the sleeping surface, stopping any dipping to the sides of the mattress. Flag-stitched rotating handles make it easy to turn the mattress, and air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round.